Thank you. Group 2 customers now welcome to board. Group 3 customers are welcome to board.
哇，怎么好像有牛的味道？对啊，好像那个农场的味道。4D 是的，我位置是4D 是的。BA， 我会看到菜鸟。OK， 真的是有农场的味道。但是说头等舱先，哇，怎么还会动？有一点雨水。Morning。我是在哪里？是4D 是在哪？分开坐。那4D 啊 ，OK。Can I put this right here?
You have to put that up too.
So and here's not big. I can try.
It looks good.
Welcome aboard American Airlines flight to Chicago. As you're getting settled, please place all carry-on items in overhead compartment or underneath the seat in front of you. Smaller, lightweight items may be placed in the seat pockets once they do not block the path to the aisle. The seatbelt sign has been turned on, so please fasten your seatbelts. If you need any assistance, please let one of us know.
Coke?
Coke?
Yeah.